Good afternoon. Happy Friday to you, and thank you for being with us. I'm Joe Ripley. Developing right now, the jury selection process is underway in the first trial in Georgia's election interference case. Kenneth Cheseboro is one of two defendants who requested a speedy trial. Cheseboro, seen here, is accused of working with Republican leaders on a fake elector scheme. We know approximately 450 potential jurors were called to appear this morning to fill out their questionnaires. It is expected both sides will try to figure out as much as they can about these potential jurors' feelings when it comes to former President Trump and other opinions related to the 2020 election. Of course, the big question following Sidney Powell's plea deal is whether other deals could follow. Former DeKalb County Prosecutor Robert James says for the other defendants, it could come down to not only the evidence, but timing.
You better strike while the iron is hot, because once the state has sufficient evidence on the topic that your client would be providing evidence, they no longer need your client, and you no longer have leverage as a criminal defense lawyer to get a good plea.
According to NBC News, Cheseboro rejected a plea deal. It is unclear if Cheseboro might still have the possibility to make a modified plea deal and avoid a trial altogether. Sidney Powell, meantime, requested a speedy trial as well. Yesterday, she pleaded guilty to 6 misdemeanor counts and struck a deal with prosecutors. Powell will get 6 years probation and was fined $6,000. She must also write an apology letter to Georgia citizens, turn over documents, and testify in the trials against her former co-defendants. We have extensive coverage of this investigation going back months on our website right now. To read more, just head to 11alive.com.